Sir, how does you practice Stoicism in your daily life, and how does it helps you?
Stoicism, it helps me in a lot of ways. Can you narrow it down? यानी कि क्योंकि मैं तो फिर
I meant
शाम
to
तक हम बैठे रहेंगे.
I mean to say that does it have really changed your life in any point of view in your
Oh yes,
life?
it has changed my life. It has changed my life. It has.
Can you please share with us?
Okay, so I'm here talking to all of you, trying to help make better, not make better. I mean, trying to help you by explaining Stoicism, so hopefully I can help you feel less miserable in the future. And how has it helped me? I believe I'm doing something useful. That's one of the things that I'm starting to do something useful, which I wouldn't do before. I mean, at one time I was very bitter, and I did not like talking to people, and I did not enjoy human existence. I still don't, but less. I still don't like human existence. Although I would say that it isn't that I'm like, I don't worry, I do. In fact, recently the problem is that I've stopped focusing. I mean, I want to focus on my work. I'm not as productive as I used to be because I'm worrying about things which really I shouldn't be worrying about. If I wasn't into Stoicism, I would probably be in a corner in my room where all the lights would be out, and I would just be having a blank expression on my face, depressed and miserable. So I'm here in front of you, that is itself. क्योंकि अभी जिस किस्म की जैसे कि वरीज हो सकती थी मेरी, वो जैसे ही होता कि मैं I would be pretty miserable. तो I'm less miserable. सबसे पहले तो बात ये है, लेकिन of course हर इंसान को अपने ऊपर काम करना पड़ता है. I'm not as productive as I want to be. काम से थोड़ा सा focus हट गया है. लेकिन मैंने फिर वो, हालांकि स्टोइसिज्म का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, लेकिन उसके अंदर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ है कि वो वे प्रैक्टिस करता है इंसान, the art of effortless action, which is the more I want to work, the more I'll work less. यानी कि जितना मैं कहूँगा हाय मुझे ये करना है, मुझे आज काम करना है, उतना मैं कोशिश करूँगा, उतना ही काम मुझसे नहीं होगा. तो आई एम लाइक डैम इट, ठीक है काम नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है बस देखी जाएगी, नहीं होता काम. तो जब मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ, काम होना शुरू हो जाता है खुद ब खुद ही. क्लाइंट्स हैं वो कहते हैं ठीक है जितना काम किया सही है, अब हम लोग इसके पैसे आपको दे रहे हैं. पहले फिर ऐसा होता है कि मैं कहता हूँ क्लाइंट को प्लीज़ भाई ये काम अप्रूव कर दो. जब मैं कहता हूँ ठीक है काम नहीं अप्रूव हो रहा है, ये लो अपना सोर्स कोड, जाओ, कहता है नहीं हम लोग काम करते हैं, चलो बस.
Great, sir. Sir, if you have to say the crux of the today's entire session regarding Stoicism in one line, what that would be, so that we can take away with us?
Tell your brain to shut up if it's bothering you. Or slap it. Not literally, please don't do that, you'll get a concussion.